Well, we fucked up. Sliding on a fucking rim, bud. Oh. Oh shit. Damn, you heard that shit? Yeah, that's not good. Well, we fucked up. Sliding on a fucking rim, bud.
Oh, shit. That's why that didn't sound very good. Off me. Holy shit. She's off.
Off. That bitch off.
Oh, did I crack that? No. Damn.
It's alright, she's just a Johnny.
Yeah, right. I knew it wasn't sliding.
Give her a rev. Oh, fuck. Oops. Got the other fucking Johnny over here.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy.
Blown the fuck up. About to give y'all a start in the jailbreak real quick. So I can't do shit else but start the bitch and look at it. Dirty ass garage, clean ass whip. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. This that splat. As long as you can when you shoot, you already know that's what you're watching. Don't mind my little fucking 3M tape stains. I gotta get that up. About to start this bitch up though. Let me see. She probably ain't got it in her from the key. I knew it. Fuck her. Little bitch. Ah, smell like nobody in this bitch.
What do you mean by that?
8,400 on the dash. I don't even want to fucking. I'm about to set y'all up back here because I don't even want to sit in this bitch right now. I'm pranking y'all right now. I'm not gonna lie, y'all need a battery pack to start the whip. The fucking battery's dead, and I don't got it in me because I just got home from work. So I'm gonna just roll a clip of the car starting right here. But yeah, y'all, this will probably be one of the first couple videos up on the channel. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Tap into the Instagram, follow the YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, follow the clothing brand Wealthy Within on Instagram and all of their socials. Appreciate y'all for watching. It's been your boy SRT Cam, and I'm gone.
Much later.
Pulling up VIP, bitch.
Yes, sir. Oh, 392? 392, too bad we come Hellcat with it. Those tomatoes.
Right here, G. Right next to those guys.
The best backwards driver in the world. Where's the blood?
Thinking about it.
Are you pissing?
I'm pissing on his truck. I didn't mean it to drain you. I pissed on the bumper just a little bit.
No, you didn't.
Like, he was recording me, so I just like
He pissed on the bumper. Tell me you didn't piss on the tailpipe.
no. Started recording me. I got nervous. My shit shriveled up.
And she got smooth.
It depends. It depends what they be saying.
Yeah, it looks like. But we most definitely probably got.
Yeah, you gotta drink that. Just drink it. Alcohol abuse. If you dumb it out, it's alcohol abuse.
This is the alcohol.
Alright.
This is all soda.
My tip over anyone's tip.
Who's giving the gay guy the tip?
I just see
Breaks on.
it.
Breaks on.
Bro keeps pulling his phone out. Got him.
It's a little fucking cold out, bud. It's freezing, bud.
Wait, who's behind me? The kid that tried sucking dick, bro. Yo, we right? We in 6th grade.
I can't turn around. That's bad. I would never.
That's a wholehearted guy right there. Looks a baby man. That's a wholehearted guy.
Oh,
Wait,
gosh.
wait. I'm holding my vape in here.
What is that, guys?
I need someone to hold the boot.
What's your charge at?
Boy or lady boy?
Boy.
Boy?
Yeah.
Boy or lady boy?
Lady boy.
I'm feeling a little too turned for YouTube. Can't show too much. It's copyright. She gave me 2 shots for free.
Nice.
2 shots of Fireball.
Nice.
So now.
What is that?
Grandma butt. Getting that grandma butt.
Yo, that's
This motherfucker's drifting. This motherfucker's peaking.
I want this.